1998 Legacy Lancaster, which is a Japanese version. Going to replace the fuel filter. Everybody tells you it's right in here. See there? Right there, invisible. So there's, it's not in these cars. So just to make it fun, good old Subaru. In the back seat, under the back seat, on the right hand side of the car. This is a right hand drive car. So I won't tell you passenger or driver's side because it's different all over the world, but right hand side. So there underneath here, you squeeze that, lift that off, squeeze these things up with some needle nose pliers or similar, and undo these screws. First take the pressure off on the fuel cap. Okay, take the pressure off so you're not going to get fuel squirting everywhere in a pressurized system. And so I've slid these back up, these two off under this little, squeeze this little clip here, slid it off, push that off with a screwdriver. So I've got all the hoses off now to undo the screws. These are 8mm bolts. Under there, right. Good on you, Subaru. Take this bracket off. And but yeah, don't drop your screws down. I think I've dropped one of mine just to make it fun. And lift this up carefully. This is what it looks like when I got it out. Doesn't look like it's got a fuel filter. It's got this kind of gauze bag on the pickup. So I'm going to check that the fuel pump works. And yeah, this thing, so I think it's starving of fuel pretty majorly. So I'll see how it goes. Okay, well, I gave that gauze little bag at the fuel intake a bit of a blowout, compressed air, checked it all, gave it all a blowout, and put it back in, and got my son to turn the key on quickly to the on position, and it pumped fuel out. So, but it didn't solve my problem. This is what my problem does. This is the old farm hack here, so excuse the mess. Starts like that and then cuts out. Has no power whatsoever. I was assuming a fuel blockage and just the fuel trickling through really slow, but looks like I got to keep searching. But anyway, hopefully that gives you an idea to how to get through to your fuel pump for one of these Lancaster Legacies 1998.